The respondent is not opposed to bail and also adduced evidence by way of an affidavit. I have considered the evidence that has been adduced by the applicants, as well as the evidence that has been adduced by the respondent. The Act is very clear. Section 60, subsection 11 of the Act provides that an accused person who is charged with an offense that is categorized under Schedule 5 bears on us to prove on a balance of probabilities after adducing evidence that interest of justice requires the release on bail, in the interest of justice, obviously. And the applicants, if they've done so, evidence shows that they are not a flight risk. They've handed themselves over to the police when requested to do so. And there is no evidence that they might interfere with the witnesses, directly or indirectly so. And therefore they have satisfied the requirement of Section 60, Section 11 by using the evidence, and that the interest of justice requires release on bail. Therefore, bail is granted to all the applicants in the amounts as follows. Accused number 1, bail is granted an amount of 20,000 rands. Accused number 2, bail is granted an amount of 20,000 rands. Accused number 3, bail is granted an amount of 20,000 rands. Accused number 4, bail is granted at an amount of 25,000 rands. Accused 5, bail is granted an amount of 20,000 rands. Accused 6, bail is granted an amount of 50,000 rands. Accused 8, bail is granted an amount of 50,000 rands. Accused 9, bail is granted an amount of 50,000 rands.
Firstly, the investigations in this matter were quite complex. And remember that as the NPA, we don't conduct the investigations. However, we guide investigations. So we were working closely with many stakeholders, of which we had to give them that space and opportunity to conduct their work without any interference from us, but with us rather playing a role of guiding them in preparation for this day. Indeed, the matter has been postponed to the 22nd of April 2022 to secure the attendance of Mr. Payne. So extradition processes are underway. And we hope that by the time the matter is back in court, those processes would have been finalized so that he is then joined with the rest of the accused in this matter.